That's the Chrome I want, I think. Um, so I went ahead and made it so you can now favorite folders, and you can also label them. You have to go into them to label them. You can go in here and be like, I want this to be another and blah and test. And then you can see those there. And now if we go back out to where that was and shared, we'll see it shows us those. I can go into the label and I'll see them listed there. It's not alphabetizing them quite right. I need to go fix that. And under my favorites, they show up. And in home, I'll see those as well. And if you're using homepage labels, they'll show up there properly too. So yeah, so basically we now support favorites and labels on folders. So that'll ship shortly-ish. So just that real quick piece. Oh, I forgot one thing. So this is why I should write notes about what I just demo. Um, this actually went live a few days ago, but now if you find content, it'll show you the folder path it's in. So if I can all content, I can see here that this is James Bond's in James Bond's personal little X, or it's a personal folder that's not mine, and then this is in 007 folder. And like you can see, this one's in example folder. So yeah, we added a little context about where a file is. This will only show up in all content shared with me and favorites, uh, because in my documents, it's already in a folder structure, as is Hub. So we don't bother showing it there. So yeah, and that's going to get some design revision down the road, but well, that was an ask, so I wanted to get that